So you actually have money in your paper account. You can't be able to withdraw it. And probably if you are from Nigeria, the major way of withdrawing paper fund is actually selling into a changer, and they actually pay you peanuts. So in today's video, I'll be showing you the possible way to convert your paper money to USDT, and it's very simple. So you just have to follow up with this tutorial, and I will show you the step-by-step guide all you have to do to actually convert your money. And even if you convert it to this platform, you can actually convert it to another platform or either withdraw it through black market rate. So ensure you subscribe to my YouTube channels. Make sure you pay close attention to everything I'm going to share in this video. As you can see, this is the amount I actually convert using the method I'm going to show you. $29 was actually converted to USDT rather, and be able to withdraw it here in Nigeria. So the platform we are going to be using in this video is actually called Airtm. So AIRTM. So I'm going to drop the link to this platform. If you are signed up on this platform using this link, you are going to get $1 for registration. So for you to get started, all you have to do is because you have not registered before, you have to click on the first link and click on create an account over here. So you have to choose your country you live in. So let's assume that you actually reside in Nigeria. So you are going to find Nigeria from this option. Then if you want to actually select type of account you want to create, personal account or business account. So for the purpose of this tutorial, we are going to create a personal account. So as you can see, you can select the way you actually want to register. You can actually register with Gmail, Facebook, or Apple. So you can choose your email. So you have to enter your email address over here. You enter your password. Then you also create a password, fill in your first name, your last name, and also this one is optional. Though it's optional, you are going to choose your last name, then click on verify, create an account. So the creation of account on ATM is very easy and very simple. So but I will not be creating an account because I already have an existing account. So all you have to do is to click on login to show you exactly how you can use this platform. So click on login over here, and you can see I've successfully logged into this platform, and I have $34 on this platform, which is called USDC. So it's not really USDT but USDC. So and this particular USDC can be converted to USDT if you actually want. It's more of like a cryptocurrency coin. So for you to actually convert your paper money, like this paper money, how I do it, you have to, as you can see, you have registered on this platform and you verify your identity using your national ID card or any means of identification. So all you have to do to fund this account is click on add payment. So you have to click on add payment over here. So as you can see, there are a lot of payment methods you can use to add on this platform. So you can, if you have Naira, you can add Naira. You can fund this platform with your debit card, with Kuda Bank, with Wise. If you have Wise USDT, you can fund it over here. Then if you ask Creo, they have a lot of platform, a lot of payment platform. They have Pioneer, they have OP, Cheaper Cash, different platform. So but what we are going to use to fund this platform is actually paper. So we are going to use paper over here. Then we are going to choose the amount we want to fund on this platform. So as you can see, if you are funding the paper, it must be $15 and above for you to actually fund this platform. So if you have below, you can't really use this platform, but if you have $15 and above, you should be able to use ATM and use paper to fund this platform. So for the purpose of this tutorial, let's assume that I want to fund $39, which I have done in the past. So $39. As you can see, I'm going to receive $32, like this is the conversion rate. They are going to charge $1 to 1 USDC. So, and their fee, they are going to charge some fee, which is about 10% fee. And if you calculate the total amount, they are actually maybe removing up to, I think they are removing up to $5 or $6. When you compare it to you selling it at very cheap to other people, this one is better. You can actually convert it at black market rate on this platform also. So all you have to do is to click on continue. and it's going to ask you, so you have to add your email, your paper email over here. So if you don't have, if your paper email is not the same with the one you created, you can add another account, another email over here that associated with your paper email, because like this platform doesn't really like you using third-party email. So as you can see, you are going to click on submit request over here, and this platform is going to pair you with another person that want to actually buy paper. So as you can see, you have to wait maybe 3 to 4 hours. It depends on how easier paper, like the one I did actually took me more than, I think it took me more than 2 hours before I was actually paired with someone that have paper. So after I was paired, I actually sent the payment, which is about $39, and I received the USDC. So let me show you the transaction details. Let me go back to home and show you the transaction details. So this is transaction details. As you can see, add money through paper balance. So this is the person that I was paired with, and it is complete. So let's see the payment. So as you can see, this is the payment history, which is $39, and I actually received $32. So it is very, very simple and very, very easy to actually use this platform, because this platform allow you to convert your paper money to USDC. So, and if you actually want to convert it back to USDT, our balance is actually in USDC, which is almost the same thing with USDT. So let's go back and actually show you how you can convert it to USDT. So you can go to Binance or Bybit and use Bybit to actually convert it from here. So all you have to do is to create a P2P trade on Bybit or Binance or OKS and be able to convert your ATM cash to USDT rather. So if you actually want me to do the full tutorial about how you can actually further convert it to USDT, you can actually drop in the comment section below. I will definitely do the video and show you how you can convert this USDC to USDT. It's very, very simple. So the other method you can actually use is to actually click on withdraw over here. So you can click on withdraw, so, and click on next. So they have P2P also. You can actually use P2P over here. Next, then next. As you can see, there are a lot of payment methods you can actually use, but let's find if you can use USDC from the option. So you have to find this browse option, then you can type in USDT from the option. As you can see, there are a lot of payment methods. Select your payment method. So you can use Binance Pay, which is USDT, and the fee is 1.72 plus $10, and I mean it's 0.10. Like you can use Bybit, which is 2.2 plus 0.20. You can use KuCoin, you can use OKS, like you can use USDT directly. And I think this one is free, so you can actually convert your USDT to USDC, and it's free. You are not paying any fee for that. So you can use USDT, BIM20, you can use ARC20, you can use TRC20. So all this one actually come with fee. So, but if you are using USDT directly, so you are not going to pay much fee for that. So, but I will actually recommend, if you actually want to convert your USDC from Airtm, is to use Binance or Bybit to do their P2P. That one is much better, much faster, and much, like you're not going to pay more fee for that. So I hope this video actually help you one way or the other. So if you want me to make video about how you can convert your USDC from ATM to USDT on Binance or OKS or Bybit, you can drop the request in the comment section below. I will definitely make the video right now and actually show you how you can do that. So I hope this video actually help you one way or the other. If you do, kindly give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone that you know that you always get paper but sell it very cheap, like very cheap to all those exchanger. I hope this video actually help you. Thanks for watching today's video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.